So in this Wealthsimple tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to buy Brookfield stock, ticker symbol BAM.A in Canada here on Wealthsimple. So once you have Wealthsimple open up on your device, go to the bottom left and press on the search bar. And then go to the search option right here at the top, and then type in ticker symbol BAM. And there you go, the first one right here, ticker symbol BAM at the top. So there you go, BAM Class A is the exact same thing as I mentioned before as BAM.A. So if you want to buy this, press on buy. Now press on the amount of money that you wish to invest into Brookfield. But if you want to change this over from a fractional buy, press on fractional buy, and then you can select market buy, limit buy, fractional buy, stop limit buy, or recurring buy, whatever you want. Type in the amount of money you wish to invest into Brookfield. So I will just do $2 for this demonstration, and then press on continue. And pretty simple to confirm your order of Brookfield. Just make sure you go to the bottom and press on confirm order, and there you go. That is how to buy Brookfield stock, ticker symbol BAM.A in Canada. I hope this video helps.